how to turn on your page edits to your comments notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on your page edits to your comments notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find the settings and then notifications, and go down again until you find pages you manage, and then select your page and click page interactions, and here you will find this one, edits to your comments. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.